The memory card is usually on the fan host. Press it and it will pop out. Use the matching card reader to read the fan memory card. Plug the card reader into the computer's USB port for reading. Open My Computer and find the USB drive you just read. When you see an app compressed package, right-click and copy it to.
After decompression, you will see a TXT file containing a link to download computer software. Copy the link and open it in your computer's browser. After the page redirects, click the blue button to download the installation package. Once the download is complete, as indicated in the top right corner, click to install. Please note that you should disable your computer's antivirus software during installation. After installation, locate the desktop icon and double-click it to launch the software. After opening the software, click the Select File button. A new window will pop up. Locate the video or image you need to convert and click Open. In the software, the blue dotted circles represent the area of the screen displayed by the fan. You can adjust the size of the source image by scrolling the mouse wheel forward and backward. Click the left mouse button to select the video and adjust the position of the footage. After adjusting, click the button Select Folder, then select the save location for exporting the file. Scroll down the right-hand progress bar, select Model, choose Mini SHAR. The following parameters do not need to be adjusted. The default values are fine. Then click the Convert button. A notification will appear in the lower right corner. After the format conversion is successful, a new window will pop up after successful conversion, containing the converted bin file. Simply copy the bin file to the fan's memory card, then insert the memory card back into the fan.